everybody, my name is Chloe and welcome to Hashtag Randomness. And yes, this is my face. Welcome. And for today's video, I wanted to make myself a cake, sort of like a cupcake or chocolate. But I don't have any of the ingredients. So what do? I improvise and make a video about it just in case how it turns out. And actually, if it turns out well, it can help you guys because I have some of the most basic ingredients. Like, I'm out of eggs. Like, I just don't have them. So I said, let's make a video. This could help someone out because I want to make it. And I was like, yeah, let's do this. So I'm gonna try and I'm gonna tell you if this is good or no.
What?
Okay, so what I have instead of flour, because we're out of flour, I'm gonna use pancake mix. I improvise. I'm gonna make chocolate mug cake. So I'm gonna use sugar. These are both sugar. I have oil, and I'm gonna get water. Instead of cocoa powder, this is technically cocoa powder. It's hot chocolate mix. It's not winter, so I don't think it could be.
I never knew you could eat hot
I'm
chocolate.
gonna use that. So let's get started, shall we? So honestly, I don't know what I'm doing. Like, I don't know. Like, I don't know where to start.
Oh my god, we get it. You don't know. Like, stop.
But like, I guess we're gonna start with like the dry. Just go in. Okay, so I really hope that this is gonna actually turn out good. Oh, this is half a cup, by the way. You know how I feel? I'm gonna put this much. I'm gonna put this much in. So I have a fork here. I'm just gonna mix the flour, even though there's nothing in. Maybe I'll add more. Okay, perfect. Now, after this, I'm going to add sugar.
Sorry, but was that really necessary?
They use a lot of sugar because we want diabetes in our cupcakes. So, yeah, because why not? Okay, I might need to add more. Like, honestly, so much of our food is filled with diabetes. But you know what? That's what makes stuff taste good, and it's fine to eat it once in a while, but not a lot. Okay, now I'm gonna add my cocoa powder or my hot chocolate mix. No need to worry. You can. We love chocolate. Here. I made a mess. Okay, that's okay.
That did nothing.
We can clean that up. Okay, so after this step, I'm just gonna add water and oil. Ew. This looks disgusting, by the way. Dirty. I'm gonna put some grape seed oil. Oh, that is a lot. That's a lot more than I expected. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna mix it and see how it goes. Okay, so now we're gonna put this baby in the microwave for I don't even know how long. So let's just go for it, guys. Let's put it in the microwave. And I'm gonna go for 30-second increments at a time. So now we wait. Everybody, I think it's done. Honestly, when you smell it, it smells really good right now. It smells like the hot chocolate. So let's open it. Oh my god. What the hell? It actually rose. Wow. Oh my god. I am proud of myself. Now I'm just gonna take a toothpick and see if it's fully baked or not. So this is how I know if it's done baking. So you put the toothpick in the center, and if it comes out and there's nothing in it, that means it's done. But if there is like something, it's like batter around it, that means it's not done. So yeah, I am freaking excited. Oh my god, yes. It kind of looks like a pimple at the top. But like, you see that? It's fine. We're just gonna get some. I'm gonna eat it with this too. Okay, guys, we're finally done. In the total amount of increments I've baked this or microwaved it for is 1 minute and 30 seconds, and it's fully baked. But you see, I didn't mix it well because I'm impatient and I don't know what I'm doing half of the time. So it sort of makes sense, but let's try it. Ooh. Oh, oh. This is how it looks like on the inside. It's fully baked. Let's try it. Cheers. I don't hate it. I don't hate it. Why do I like it, sort of? But I don't like it, but I like it at the same time. It's good. No, it's good. I like it. No, yeah, I like it. You guys should definitely try this. Like, obviously, I should have mixed it better or whatever. But I like it. Okay, guys, so it's a pretty good mug cake overall. You guys should try this. This doesn't require condensed milk, eggs, flour. It's good. I say 10 out of 10, try it, go for it, whatever. And I know I didn't put an exact measurement, but like, you can eyeball it sort of. Like, you have a feeling. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And make sure to put the notification bell on, and don't worry, we will try to be more active on this channel if we can. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time I post. Bye!